Today we're gonna knock out a short, simple, quick, easy money recipe. It is beef short ribs. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Your Behind BBQ. My name is Kyle. I'm the owner of Your Behind BBQ, owner of Your Behind BBQ Birds and Bones restaurant in Florence, Arizona. So, beef short ribs, pull them all out. They're all cut up. Now, you might be thinking too, beef short ribs, the big brisket on a stick is like what I like to call them. Basically, that's what this is, but it's just cut down. So if you see it, you put these all together here. Flip that around. If you put this all together, all they did was cut this way across the big beef, big brisket on a stick. So what I like to do with these, I don't want to trim them. I don't want to do anything because I want the fat. I want everything on these things. I'm going to lay these out flat. Use your favorite brisket seasoning, steak seasoning, beef seasoning, anything you like. But you guys do what you do, I'm gonna do what I do. So we are going to start out with our newly coming salt, pepper, garlic rub. I'm gonna do a light coat of that on top of these. Light. And then I'm gonna just kind of tap her in. You don't need a binder. You don't need to use anything like that on these. It's beef, so I don't like to use binders on these. We're gonna do that, and then I'm also going to top it with our green chili bacon rub. It's got certified Hatch green chilies in it. It's got a little bit of bacon flavoring in it. I'm gonna do a light coat of this on top because I want these to have a little kick. Put that, bada bang, tap. All right, then I'm going to flip these over. Drop me a comment down below if you've ever had beef short ribs that are this thin. They're usually found at like Chinese food restaurants. I really dig eating them at the house, putting them on the smoker, smoking them up. I'm gonna cook these bad boys to about 125 degrees. It's gonna be very quick, very quick. You can grill these as well. I'm going to use our Green Mountain Grill smoker. It's a pellet grill. Get some smoke into these things. Little brisket on a stick. This is perfect for football season. You know, your favorite team's playing, America's team, and you want something to snack on while the game's rolling? These are perfect. All right, I'm gonna get my cooling rack out. You guys all know about my cooling rack. There's a link in the description below on where I get these from. So we're just gonna kind of lightly spray this down. So I'm gonna add these to our cooling rack. Boom, press them. Let's go fire up the grill. I'm gonna go to 300 degrees. 300 degrees, fire it up, throw these bad boys on there. They should take, I'm guessing, 45 minutes to an hour. It'll be real quick. Let's go check it out. Everyone always asks me, why are you always cooking on the GMG? Why are you always cooking on a pellet grill? Why? Because the pellet grill, for me, is super easy. I like to do all my videos, cooking and everything at the restaurant. I'm very rarely at my house, like my old videos I used to do there. So yes, this is very easy for me. I can fire it up. I don't have to deal with charcoal, deal with all that. I got it on. She's rolling. 300 degrees. Beef short ribs, baby. Let's go. Whew. All right. Beef short ribs are on. I'm going to get a timer going. Probably, I'm going to start out at 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we'll come back and check these out. All right, we're 30 minutes in. Let's check them. Let's see what temp. I want 125, 130-ish. And then we're gonna pull them out. We're gonna let them rest. So let's check them out. Money. Look at the color on those. 135. Whew, that's 142. These bad boys are done. 146. They cook very, very quickly. All right, let's pull these off. All right, and just like that, boom, in 30 minutes. It was 32 minutes it took to smoke these at 300 degrees on the Green Mountain Grill, pellet grill. 30 minutes, boom. You can have these beef short ribs. Look how tender it is. Just rips right off. Whoo, these smell so dang good. See, going to the in-laws, watching the game, Whatever you're doing, you got 30 minutes, throw these bad boys on the smoker. Boom, you're gonna impress everybody. If y'all enjoyed this video, wait till you see what I got coming up next. Cheers. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.